Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Friday. Oh my gosh. Love Fridays. It's the start of the weekend, and even if you're not doing anything, it just feels good. It feels like you can just kind of let everything go, I guess. Or if you don't have anything to let go, it's still Friday. And you get to relax and rest. Today, I have no foundation makeup on, except I did do my eyebrows and I put a little mascara on. I just used the lengthening side of the By Terry, and of course Vaseline on my lips. Because today we are talking about By Terry Cellularose Brightening CC Serum. I said it right, Cellularose. I guess that's why they just call it CC Serum for short. And I got it in the color Sunny Flash, and I'm super excited about this because I heard about this. By Terry is a French company, of course. I think I called it a London company once, but no, it's actually a French company. And I didn't know that the person who started By Terry used to be at YSL, which is kind of cool, beauty. So yeah, I love YSL beauty stuff as well. Anyway, this is not a foundation, it is a serum. So let's talk about it, shall we? All right, what does it say that it does? This is a long thing right here, so let's see it. As a true color control serum, this radiance enhancing care diffuses its brightening, moisturizing, and corrective skincare properties. Oh, I like that. I like brightening, I like diffusing, and I like moisturizing and corrective because I need some correcting here. Into the heart of the epidermis. Don't you love it when people just use words instead of saying like skin? It's like epidermis. Sounds so fancy. The rejuvenating formula enriched in white rose native cells. I'm eating this up. I'm totally eating the word language up. White rose native cells, and combined with a cell renewing brightening agent and anti-free radical vitamin E, boosts radiant luminosity and lastingly protects the skin. Rare light reflecting prisms associated with soft focus microspheres, sounds like camera, blurs imperfections, kind of sounds like a primer, although it's not saying it's a primer. Smooths features and fills in the micro surface for a beautifully natural finish. Natural result, I may finish up. Its fluid and smooth stretch texture perfectly blends into all skin tones like an ultrafine and translucent film. Apply in the morning on the entire face, alone or after foundation for a smooth and intensely brightening skin. This is supposed to moisturize, and the biggest thing is brighten the skin. So I like luminosity, I like brightening, and I love blurring. So I was super excited about this. Let's talk about the bottle. This first comes in 1 fluid ounce, and of course made in France. And the bottle, I like that it's clear, that it's see-through, and you can see how much product you have left. I always like that when bottles are clear. And it's just this is glass. It's heavy. It's very classic. I said that about the mascara. It's just classic. It doesn't have the blue or that navy purplish look that some of her other products have, and a silver cap that comes off with a pump. Now this pump is interesting because it moves like this, so hopefully that's not a problem. But it also opens, so when you need to get the rest of that out, you just tap it on your hand to get the rest out. I've done that. And some pumps don't have that where you can open it. Okay, well, I'm ready to give it a whirl. How about you? Okay. Oh, let's try it. Ooh. Look how pretty that is. It's like a shimmery, glistening type of... Oh, you see that? Okay. Let's just rub that in. Oh, it smells good. You can definitely smell the rose. Okay, yeah, this definitely is like a, I'm calling this like a mini highlighter. Because, yeah, the sheen on my face is definitely visible. It's not covering any dark circles because it's not meant to cover. But that's, oh, that's very light, and it smells so good. It reminds me of something in my childhood. It smells so good though. They're like, roses, Shawana? No. That's pretty. You turn, you can kind of see, you not kind of, you can see, if you can't see it, I can see the reflective nature of it. Let's do the other side. Look at that. That's really pretty. Wow. Yeah, that's, oh, this is really pretty. Definitely, to me, it's kind of like a liquid light highlighter that is blurring. Did it blur some of my imperfections? It did. It did blur some of my imperfections. I put my a little mascara and my eyebrows on because I wanted to see if this is something that I would just wear outside of the house by itself and not put any makeup over it. I didn't do anything on my neck, did I? I think I possibly could just wear this outside of the house, even though my dark under eye circles, I just get so, insecure. Yeah, insecure about them. Oh, but that's pretty. That's really pretty. Oh, I wonder if it may be too much highlight for my husband. I don't think he'll think that though. I think he'll be like, "Did you do anything?" And it added some subtle color. I didn't have anything on my face. I had moisturizer. I forgot to say I had moisturizer on my face, and that was it. And this is a really natural, beautiful finish that makes you feel a little bit luxurious. But I could put this, it says put on top of your makeup. I could put this underneath my makeup too, probably. I would probably mix this in with my makeup. Do I need this in my regimen? No, I don't need this like I need my foundation. But this is a nice to have when I don't want to put on makeup. And let's say I want to go to the gym, or I want to go, because it's a serum and it's more of a corrector or a brightening agent. I can wear this to the gym, if I so choose to, or because it's effective. It's skincare. That's basically what this is. This is skincare. This is part of a skincare regimen, and I really like it. I really do like it. I honestly didn't think I would be able to get away with something like this because my skin isn't perfect. But I may still do something with my dark under eye circles, but I feel like I don't necessarily. No, I think I still need to do something with my dark under eye circles. With dark under eye circles, you just feel like it brings down your whole look. It's like, I'm not tired, I'm refreshed. Yeah, your under eyes say a different story. It tells a different story. The biggest thing though is that it does not have a SPF in it. So you would need to put sunscreen on before wearing this. Or if you mix it in with your foundation, which this would brighten it up, this would be kind of like adding a bit of highlighter to your foundation. Or, this would make good primer too, probably. But with the corrective benefits and the brightening benefits and the skincare benefits that a highlighter would not add. It doesn't say it's going to what does this say? Radical Vitamin E Cell Renewing Brightening Agent. It's corrective skincare properties into the heart of the epidermis. Yeah, this is skincare, which is nice. And it's nice that I can have skincare with this beautiful glow. So yeah, I really like it. Wish it came with the SPF, but I'm assuming there's a reason why they couldn't put SPF in it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yeah, this is gorgeous. This is so natural. Yeah.